What's your pleasure, Mr. Cotton?
The box.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while, but I've been busy at work and remodeling my kitchen and stuff like that. Jason over at Horror and Monster Collectibles, and I'll link to his channel in the description box below, showed off the other day his Hellraiser puzzle box that was autographed by the major Cenobites in the movie. We were talking on that video. I told him I had a puzzle box myself, so I thought it might be a good opportunity to show that one off. These are my Hellraiser pieces that I have. I've done a video on the Howard S. Studios Pinhead, which was painted by Rick Cantu. I also have Eric Fisher's companion piece to that, the Chatterer, which was also I had painted by Rick. The first puzzle box I have is this one, and what this is, it's mounted on mahogany block. It has a felt bottom. The sides are those metal laser etched pieces, but they aren't the dark parts aren't cut away like you see in the nice Green Accurate boxes. It's just a solid sheet of metal on each side, and the chains, you know, are coming out of shooting out of the box. The blood effect is candle wax, and when I received this years ago, the chains actually arrived broken, so it was a lot of fun trying to melt the wax and make it look like it did when the pictures when I bought it. So this my other puzzle box, my other Lament Configuration. This one is autographed, and every year I go to Monstermania. It's a horror movie convention in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. They run that show twice a year, and a few years back they had a Hellraiser reunion, and I decided to bring this puzzle box, which is the same as this one. It's a wood block with the laser etched metal plates on the side. Again, this is not, and I'm sorry, hopefully the video is not too blurry, but the darker portions are not cut out. So this is this side was signed by Doug Bradley, and here's a picture of me with Doug after he signed it. This side was signed by Simon Bamford, who was the Butterball Cenobite, and here's a picture of Simon. This side is Nicholas Vince. And he was a Chatterer, and he even sketched the box for me. And on this side, Barbie Wilder, who was the female Cenobite in Hellbound. And she was a doll. She sat down with me, spoke to me for a while. So those 4 Cenobites, I believe Jason has on his box. I also had the pleasure of meeting Ashley Laurence, and that's the top signature on this box. Ashley initially signed it in white, didn't like the way it turned out, so she went over the white parts with the black Sharpie. I don't have I have a picture, as you saw, a picture with all the Cenobites, but I don't have one with Ashley. So there you have it. Those are my Hellraiser props, but specifically the 2 Lament configurations and the 1 autographed piece. Again, I encourage you guys to go and check out Horror Monster Collectibles. Jason has a terrific high-end collection, one that I admire a lot, and always has honest reviews, some really nice pieces, and I think it's well worth everyone's time checking it out. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will talk to you guys soon.